Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete large files using WizTree step by step. If your computer is running out of storage and you want to free up space quickly, WizTree makes it easy to locate and remove large files. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your Windows computer. If prompted, allow it to run with administrator privileges for the most complete scan. Once the application opens, select the drive you want to analyze, then click the Scan button. Next, wait for the scan to finish. WizTree is known for its speed, so it usually only takes a few seconds. After the scan is complete, click the File View tab and sort the files by the size column so the largest files appear at the top of the list. Now, carefully review the files before deleting anything. Make sure the files are no longer needed, and avoid deleting important Windows system files or application files, as doing so could cause your computer or software to stop working properly. When you've identified a file you want to remove, right-click it and choose Delete or Delete to Recycle Bin, depending on your preference and the options available. If you choose to send the file to the recycle bin, you'll have a chance to restore it later if needed. After deleting the unnecessary files, you can scan the drive again to see how much storage space you've recovered. Repeat the process if you need to remove additional large files, but always double-check before deleting anything important, and that's it. You now know how to delete large files using WizTree and free up valuable disk space safely. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Flow Launcher safely and easily on your Windows computer. If you're looking for a fast launch,